McDonald's versus Starbucks, French fries versus coffee, and Barbie versus LOL? It's a war! We're live? Hold on! Welcome to the biggest battle of corporations, Starbucks versus McDonald's. But this battle is not regular. No coffee or double cheeseburgers are going to compete today. It's a battle of our dolls. Meet a real-life LOL. Oh, it looks like she's not awake yet. You have come to the right place. A venti latte for baby LOL. There you go! Now you look like a doll and not like a sleepy monster. And our Barbie presents McDonald's today. Where is she? Hold on! She won't certainly resist French fries. Well, the contestants are here, and we begin. The task is to make Starbucks and McDonald's cafes for LOL and Barbie dolls out of boxes. Okay, let's get started. Round 1. LOL adores Starbucks. She can recreate the interior blindfolded, so she quickly nails it. Coat a shoebox with white acrylic paint. Open it and paint the base brown. Take paper with a square pattern so it looks like tiles and glue it to the lid inside. Attach brown modeling clay to a piece of styrofoam. Create the texture of soil. Make holes inside using an awl. Attach the piece to the lid. Cover the edge with a wooden ruler. Decorate the entrance with wooden coffee stirs. Put artificial flowers inside the styrofoam flower pot. Repeat the same flower pot on the other side of the entrance. Attach a printed Starbucks logo and a menu to the inside of the box. Awesome! This cafe is so cozy! Barbie is keeping up. Her box turns into a McDonald's in just a minute. Cut out 2 rectangular holes of different sizes in a box without a lid. Color the box with peach acrylic paint. Prime the walls inside and paint them yellow. Define some bricks on the outside. Attach a few cardboard bricks. Add a colored side panel to the inside and counters made out of domino tiles and rulers. Attach an M and the name to the top. Cover the side wall with cocktail straws of McDonald's colors. Make it look like blinds. Cut an awning out of a red plastic folder. Place it over the window. Barbie made a real mini McDonald's. And there are no lines here. LOL added lighting out of a string of lights with batteries. She's so attentive to detail. What will the judge say? Let me think about it. Both of them are nice. The score is 1-1. Round 2. Let's do the interior design. Barbie is making stools for her McDonald's visitors. Trace an empty gouache pot on orange faux leather. Cut out a circle and hot glue it to the bottom of the pot. Coat cardboard tubes with dark acrylic paint and place the pot on top. Put the stools near the counter. Check out more unusual ideas on our channel, Okie Dokie. Subscribe to enjoy fun life hacks and recipes. Follow the link in the description. And LOL is creating a Starbucks counter and stools. Attach a ruler to an empty wooden domino box. Paint the ruler brown. Attach a printed Starbucks logo to the box. Put on a toy vase and a cup. Hey, don't peek! No way! I have my own cafe! Hot glue a strip of faux leather to a white cap. Attach a faux leather circle on top. Make the seat of a bar stool. Cut a cocktail straw into parts and coat them with acrylic paint. Hot glue the straws to the ruler. Attach the seats on top. Create a row of bar stools. Let's furnish the cafe. Now our guests have something to sit on. A counter and stools take their places. And don't forget about flowers. Time's up! Our contestants did it! But I like the Starbucks design more. The score is 2 to LOL, 1 to Barbie. The third round is very tricky. We turn our contestants upside down. And the task is to decorate the walls of your cafe. There will be a big ad panel at McDonald's. Attach coffee stirrers to 2 cocktail straws in a row. Add a printed poster with a McDonald's ad on top. Attach a menu and a printed poster to the inside of the box. Place the poster board. And there will be pictures at Starbucks. Attach a little printed picture to pieces of coffee stirrers. Shape a frame. The pictures take their places on the walls. Now the cafe is even cozier. Let's sum up. McDonald's wins in this round. You can see the ad from far away. The score is 2 to 2. The fourth round. Real dolls should work instead of us. These cafes are made for them anyway. Let's see what they can do. Barbie decides there is not enough light in McDonald's. She'll add a lamp. Attach a balloon holder to a white cap. And hang it as a lamp. Here you go! Hang the lamp on the ceiling. Now I can see my Happy Meal! And LOL Dolls created the most important item of the interior decor. It's a fridge for treats. Cut an empty Elmer's bottle with a hot knife. Shape a fridge with shelves. Cover the edges with foam paper. Put in doll sweets. Place the fridge in the corner. Good job, dolls! Well done! Starbucks treats win! The score is 3 to LOL, 2 to Barbie. The final round is ahead. This is getting serious. We need to finish decorating the cafe. Wrap a sponge in faux leather. Make couches and a footstool out of different sponges. Cover cotton pads with polka dot fabric. Make a cushion. Make legs for tables out of domino tiles. Cut a domino box and place it on as a tabletop. Attach a Starbucks logo. Cover it with a rectangular piece of clear plastic. LOL puts soft couches and a table in the cafe. Drinking coffee here is so comfy. And there's a cash register at McDonald's. Clean a clear glue bottle and remove the label. Cut off the top and the neck. Prime it with acrylic paint. Coat it with orange acrylic paint on top. Attach a McDonald's logo. Hot glue a black domino tile. That'll be a screen. Free cash register! Please come! Now McDonald's looks very real. Well, our battle is almost over. Now we will decide who the winner is. LOL Dolls with their refreshing Starbucks or Barbies with their tasty McDonald's. The atmosphere is getting tense. Girls, are you ready to hear the verdict? The jury's choice is Starbucks! Yay! It's LOL's victory! Congratulations! This is the best doll cafe ever! And we are saying goodbye to our audience. See you again next time! Goodbye, everybody! Oops! It seems like we forgot to turn off the cameras. Who will be cleaning up this mess? Me again? Huh? Did you like our doll battle? Comment below, what do you like more? A DIY Starbucks for LOL or McDonald's for Barbie? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new doll stories from Troom.